This video will explain how easy it is to upload and send documents from TurboTransaction. We'll begin by logging in here. And when we're at the dashboard, you'll see a list of your transactions below. Keep in mind, if you're on another screen and you need to get back to a list of your transactions, just remember there's a button here on the top that says Open a Transaction. Go ahead and click on that. It'll always bring you back to your dashboard. So we'll go in and we'll add some documents to our Walnut listing here. You'll see there's a button, Edit Transaction, here on the right. Go ahead and click that button. Now we're at the transaction dashboard. You'll see all the transaction information. Below it you'll see the bar to upload documents. There are no documents in here yet, but we'll add some. We'll start by hitting Browse, and we'll begin with a listing agreement. And we'll type in listing agreement and submit down here, bottom right, and you'll see the document populate right here. Now let's add a couple more just to make it a little bit more realistic here. We'll add a purchase agreement. We'll put PA. Submit that as well. Now, both of these are PDFs, but you can upload just about any type of file format. We'll finally add an addendum here. We'll just put AD1. You can put whatever you want in there to help you remember what that document is. And we'll submit that as well. Now you'll see we have 3 documents here right below this all the transaction header. So you'll go and you'll see on the right View File, and that'll allow you to pull the file up individually and refresh yourself as to what's on that file or which signatures were on it. Now if you want to send the file, you'll simply click Send File, and that sends it individually to whichever email address you put in here. Let's put a sample email address, and we'll click Send. Mail sent successfully is your confirmation. Now we'll close this out, and that's been sent. Now let's say we want to send all 3 of these documents, or we want to send everything in the file to a broker. You can select all the documents that you want to send in one email, and then come down here and there's a button, Send Selected Files. Go ahead and click that button. You'll see the email address that I used before automatically populated, but you can get rid of that and put in whichever email address you like, or multiple email addresses. You separate them by a comma, and then what we'll do is we will put in a few different email addresses here, and then click Send, and you'll see that Mail Sent Successfully will pop up again, and that's our confirmation. And all of these were sent to